If you're preparing for the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance Functional Consultant exam, MB-310, this practice video will help you a lot. In this session, we'll solve 10 exam-style MB-310 questions to test your understanding and exam readiness. And if you want more premium practice questions, along with full mock tests that simulate the MB-310 exam style, you can visit the Certs Hero website. Certs Hero offers over 300 MB-310 practice questions and complete mock exams to help you prepare with confidence. All right, let's start with question number 1. A customer uses the sales tax functionality in Dynamics 365 Finance. The customer reports that when a sales order is created, sales tax does not calculate on the line. You need to determine why sales tax is not calculated. What are 2 possible reasons? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A. The sales tax group is populated on the line, but the item sales tax group is missing. Option B. The sales tax authority is not set up for the correct jurisdiction. Option C. The sales tax code and item sales tax code are selected, but the sales tax group is not associated to both codes. Option D. The sales tax group and item sales tax group are selected, but the sales tax code is not associated with both groups. Correct answer is A and D. Question number 2. A company uses Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance. You are evaluating delinquent customers. You examine aging balances and determine that a customer's balance must be written off. You need to use journal lines to perform the write-off process. Which 2 journal line types will be created? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A. Item transaction entry. Option B, general ledger entry. Option C, not sufficient funds, NSF payment entry. Option D, customer entry. Correct answer is A and B.
Question number 3. You are configuring automatic bank reconciliation functionality for a company that has multiple bank accounts. The company wants to import their bank statements. You need to import electronic bank statements to reconcile the bank accounts. Which 3 actions can you perform? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, select Account Reconciliation on the bank account form. Option B, navigate to Import Statement on the Bank Statements page of Cash and Bank Management. Option C, select Import Statement for multiple bank accounts in all legal entities and then upload a zip file. Option D, all above. Correct answer is all above.
Question number 4. You are configuring vendor collaboration security roles for external vendors. You manually set up a vendor contact. You need to assign the vendor external role to this vendor. Which tasks can this vendor perform? Option A, delete any contact person that they have created. Option B, deny or allow a contact person's access to documents on the vendor collaboration interface that are specific to the vendor account. Option C, view and modify contact person information, such as the person's title, email address, and telephone number. Option D, view consignment inventory. Correct answer is D. Question number 5. You are configuring budgeting components in Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. You need to configure multiple budgets. What are 3 budgeting options you can use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, sales budget, including campaigns and events. Option B, workforce budget, including compensation groups and positions. Option C, ledger budget, including revenue and expense types.
Option D, all above. Correct answer is all above.
Question number 6. You are configuring the accounts payable module for a company. The company needs to set a limit on the charges they will pay for specific items. You need to set up the limit for charges. Which 2 actions should you perform? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A. Enter the maximum amount when you set up the charges code. Option B. Use budget control with the specified charges code. Option C. Set the maximum charge amount in the accounts payable parameters. Option D. Enable invoice matching validation in the accounts payable parameters. Correct answer is A and D. Question number 7. You are a Dynamics 365 finance consultant. You plan to configure the allocation base, cost behavior, and cost distribution. Which 3 actions do these configurations accomplish? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option A. Measure and quantify activities, such as machine hours that are used, kilowatt hours that are consumed, or square footage that is occupied. Option B. Spread the balance of the costs from one cost object to one or more other cost objects by applying a relevant allocation base. Option C. Classify costs according to their behavior in relation to changes in key business activities. Option D. All above. Correct answer is D. All above. Question number 8. You need to determine why customer X is unable to confirm another sales order. What are 2 possible reasons? Each answer is a complete solution. Option A. The credit limit parameter is set to balance plus all. Option B. The credit limit is set to 0. Option C. An inventory item is out of stock. Option D. All above. Correct answer is D. All above. Question number 9. A company uses Dynamics 365 Finance. The company must send a refund check by using a customer payment journal. The refund check must be generated before a user can post the refund payment journal. Which option should you configure? Option A. Payment status as sent. Option B. Payment reference as mandatory. Option C. Bank transaction type as mandatory. Option D. Check number as mandatory. Correct answer is D. Question number 10. You need to configure accounts receivable to take pre-orders. Which feature should you use? Option A. Settle cloud transactions. Option B. Accounting Source Explorer. Option C. Settle open transactions. Option D. Customer aging report. Correct answer is C. And if you want more premium practice questions along with full mock tests that simulate the MB-310 exam style, you can visit the Certs Hero website. Certs Hero offers over 300 MB-310 practice questions and complete mock exams to help you prepare with confidence.